Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. I'm Scott Fox, lifelong insurance nerd. AEP is coming, and most people scramble at the last minute. But with a little prep now, switching plans, or deciding to stay put is way smarter and less stressful. In this video, I'll give you 7 fast prep tasks that save time, money, and headaches. People who prep before AEP save more because the plan finder is only as good as the info you put in. Garbage in, garbage out. Prepping correctly equals a smarter switch or a confident decision to stay put. Do you want the inside scoop live? Join me this Wednesday at 5 o'clock for my Medicare Livestream. Scan the QR code or use the link in the description to get a reminder. Bring your questions. I'll bring the nerdy answers. Let's get nerdy. Task 1. Update your medication list. You need exact names, dosages, and schedule. Nerd tip. Extended release versus immediate release can flip the costs. These aren't interchangeable. You have to take whichever one your doctor has prescribed for you. So make sure you get it right when you're shopping for your plan. Task 2, gather your pharmacy preferences. At least 2 local plus 1 mail order. Nerd tip, preferred versus standard status changes by plan. Don't think that just because your pharmacy is a major pharmacy that it will be on your network's preferred list. Task 3, know your doctors and clinics. List your must-haves. If you're new to an area or don't have any preferred physicians, this opens you up to shopping for the best benefits and finding the doctors that fit that plan's network. Nerd tip, with Medicare Advantage, out-of-network equals out-of-pocket. Task 4, check your current plan's performance. Look at your out-of-pocket this year. Compare what you thought you were going to spend with what you actually spent. Nerd tip, drug cost spikes or lost doctors or networks equals time to compare. Task 5, make a budget snapshot. What is your premium plus copays plus your worst case scenario? Nerd tip, zero premium doesn't always equal zero cost. Always check your annual total to see what your actual out-of-pocket cost totals for your health care for the year. Task 6, set a calendar reminder. October 1 are when previews start. October 15th through December 7th is when you have time to switch. Nerd tip, don't wait till the last minute. Schedules fill up. Computers go down. Stuff happens. Get all of this done early, and you get to ignore all the Medicare Advantage marketing that is thrown at you 24/7 for AEP. Task 7, organize your logins and paperwork. Get the websites for all your carrier portals, your recent statements, all that kind of good stuff. Have it ready at your fingertips when you start. Nerd tip, save your login now or spend AEP on hold with tech support. Putting all this together early and in an organized fashion will make for an easy, stress-free AEP. If this video made Medicare a little less confusing, please let me know. Hit the like button, share it with a friend, and drop a comment with your questions down below. And of course, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future nerd tips. It really does help me continue to put videos like this one out. I'm Scott Fox, lifelong insurance nerd, and I run an independent brokerage here in Southern California with clients across the United States. That means I represent multiple companies, not just one. And I help people like you find the Medicare or insurance coverage they need that actually fits your life every day. If you'd like personal help reviewing your coverage, just give me a call at 310-504-6223 or visit my website at scottfoxinsurance.com. My info is always in the description. Please reach out anytime. Thank you. Thanks again for watching. And once again, stay nerdy, my friends.